Alright guys, welcome back. Time to jump back into the kitchen as we wrap things up on this wonderful Sunday, this wonderful Mother's Day. And we want to finish things off as we make moms happy with Grace. And this morning we are using Grace's 2 lines of milk, their condensed milk and their evaporated milk. I am giving you 2 for 1 this morning so that you can choose which recipe you will do for mom today. Not too late to plan and pull some ingredients out and get your Grace milks going. All right, so I'm hitting you first of all. Mom now finished breakfast. Very, very quick smoothie, kind of brunch smoothie for her to try and sip while you're making lunch. This morning, I have some lovely pawpaw and I got some pumpkin that I pureed and got it all nice and mashed. So I am doing a pumpkin and pawpaw smoothie for mom this morning and using, of course, my Grace milk. So first up, I need some ice. So I'm just going to get some ice here. I have some ice that I was just waiting to get poured in here. Ice, the base of my smoothie. To that, I will add the pawpaw, all right? So once you get some good pawpaw, guys, I love myself some pawpaw and pumpkin. Simple pureed pumpkin. This is no fuss whatsoever. Just as I said, just get it all nice and mashed up there. And you get your pumpkin in there. To the pumpkin, I am going to now add my Grace evaporated milk, and I'm just going to get this in here. I wanted to ensure, that it covers, and you're really using at least the whole tin. All right, you're using the whole tin there. To that, my Grace condensed milk, guys, I am just adding about a 1/4 cup. This is, of course, very rich and sweet. And probably just adding about a 1/4 cup. I'm averaging nicely there this morning. To that, my seasonings. First of all, some wheat germ in there for mom. If you're taking long for lunch, this wheat germ will hold her for a bit. Just adding this wheat germ in here. Yeah. And a little bit of cinnamon. Just about a dash or 2 of cinnamon. And some vanilla essence. Just like that, you have yourself some pumpkin pawpaw smoothie for mom. Hey, doesn't that look creamy and delicious? Guys, try this recipe on trinicooks.com and make that for mom. While you could also whip up another little bite for her very, very quickly. This one is simple. I'm doing a mini shrimp and pepper tartlet. Also using, as I said, some Grace milk, that evaporated milk that would go in here. So very, very simple. Now, if it is you want to make your own pastry dough, you can. But there's some lovely pastry doughs selling in the supermarket that you can shape. And we're doing some mini tartlets. Just putting it in a muffin tin kind of thing and making a quiche, but nice mini tart, we're calling it basically. And we've done some shrimp, some peppers, salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Very, very simple. Sauteed it up, tossed it up, and it's ready to go. I have my base here. I have some eggs. So I'm also using my Grace evaporated milk here as well. I want about 3/4 cup of Grace evaporated milk. That's just about right. And this Grace evaporated milk going straight into, I have 3 eggs here, guys, 3 eggs. Go straight into there. This is really simple. This is math. You can do this really quickly for mom. Salt and pepper, right? And get that all mixed and stirred together. So it's basically a Grace evaporated milk and egg mixture that is all seasoned up nicely. Once it's all mixed together, you should start building your mini tartlets. I have some cheese and I have 4 that's working in here. Make sure you grease your muffin tin, guys, very, very important. So I'm putting the base of my tart with some cheese, just a little touch of cheese to coat the bottom. To that, I have my shrimp mixture. The good thing about this is if you don't have shrimp home now, you can use some chicken. You can use some fish. Whatever you have, just saute it up quickly, some peppers, season it up with some salt and pepper, and you can flavor your tart however you so desire. But just make sure you get some shrimp in there. I love shrimp, and this will be just fantastic. To this now, guys, I'm just gonna use this, so I'm gonna pour my milk and egg mixture in here, and I'll show you why. You know, I could be a little clumsy sometimes, and I just really want to ensure that I get the right amount of pour in here. Wow. So it is just to ensure not overflowing, just that it makes sure it covers up to the tip of the tart. This goes into the oven and bakes for just about 20 to 30 minutes or so. And when it comes out with your smoothie, you can serve mom up one of these tartlets. Trust me, guys, this will make mom happy. Oh. Paw Paw is so lovely, smooth and delicious. I think the pumpkin just rounds it off nicely. Get these recipes on trinicookers.com. And guys, we've had so much fun over the course of this season. We brought you so much exciting stuff. The competition, of course, the cooking competition that we brought you. We had so much fun bringing it all to you, all the recipe ideas. We hope you enjoyed. This is our finale for this particular season. We wrap things up on Mother's Day. We want to wish all the moms out there a happy, happy Mother's Day. Make sure you take care of your mom today. And guys, join us back in the summer because we have a surprise for you. Stay connected to all our social media feeds, Cup of Joe TT, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and we'll let you know what's coming next. But trust me, a surprise coming in the summer. For now, I'm sharing this cup with you, TNT. Share a cup with your mom this morning and today, and treasure her for the rest of it. Yeah? I'll see you back here when I see you. Have a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day.